Shibuya. It's vibrant, it's chaotic, it's iconic. Today, we're gonna explore the spots you can't miss. Let's go! Shibuya Scramble Crossing. Let's kick things off with the world famous Shibuya Scramble Crossing. This is a spot where Tokyo's energy comes alive. Hundreds, sometimes thousands of people, crossing from all directions at once. It's like a perfectly choreographed dance of chaos. Whether you're walking through it or watching it from above, it's pure magic. Shibuya Crossing wasn't always the chaotic, neon-lit icon it is today. Back in the day, this area was a quiet suburb with a simple train station and sleepy streets. It wasn't until the post-war boom and the rise of department stores like Tokyo that the area started bustling. The real transformation came in 1970s with the scramble design. Letting thousands cross in every direction at once, what was once another intersection is now a global symbol of Tokyo's energy and unstoppable pace. It's probably the first thing you will see in Shibuya, but it's even more fun when you know its history. Hachiko. Just across the streets is Hachiko, the loyal pup whose story melted hearts worldwide. This spot is as iconic as the crossing itself, and is the perfect meeting place for friends, or maybe even strangers, before diving into the Shibuya madness. Shibuya Center Gai. And now, back to the heart of the action, Center Gai. This is Shibuya's main artery, full of neon lights, and endless energy. Whether you're here to shop, eat, or you soak up the buzz, Center Gai is a pure Shibuya at its core. The energy here is unlike anywhere else. 24/7, this street hums with life. You'll see fashionistas strutting by in the latest trends, street performers showing off their talent, and people from all walks of life coming together in this electric atmosphere. Walking down Center Gai is an immersive experience. You'll hear the buzz of conversations, the clang of train station chimes, all blending into the soundtrack of Shibuya's vibrant life. Nonbei Yokocho. Now, for a step back in time. Nonbei Yokocho, also known as Drunkage Alley. This cozy little lane is lined with tiny bars that seat just a handful of people each. It's got that Tokyo retro charm, perfect for a quiet drink or some local conversation. Nonbei Yokocho is the perfect place to end your night. Shibuya Yokocho. On the flip side, Shibuya Yokocho brings a lively modern vibe. This bustling alley is packed with eateries, offering everything from grilled yakitori to sushi and cocktails. From here you can also easily access our next spot, Miyashita Park. Miyashita Park is a perfect mix of shopping and relaxation, making it one of the Shibuya's coolest spots. If you're in need of some retail therapy, this place has you covered with trendy stores and unique boutiques offering everything from fashion to lifestyle goods. But what makes Miyashita Park stand out is its rooftop. This isn't just any rooftop, it's a park in the sky. There's a spacious lawn area where you can chill out, enjoy the view, or even have a picnic. And if you visit in winter, you'll be treated with stunning illumination displays that light up the night and give the space a magical vibe. There is even a Starbucks on site, where you can sip your favorite drink while soaking up the sparkling lights. Penguin Street. Next, we're heading to Penguin Street, just close to Parco. This hidden gem is a quiet atmospheric alley that's great for a little escape. Penguin Street is a cozy little area, lined with a handful of restaurants and cafes. There is not so much to do here, to be honest, but the small street looks cozy in the evening and can be worth visiting if you're close in the area. Shibuya Chuo Gai. Now, let's check out Shibuya Chuo Gai, one of the newer additions to Shibuya's vibrant streetscape. This district was designed with a modern aesthetic, offering a cleaner, more organized feel compared to the other older streets in the area. This area has, compared to Center Gai, a stronger focus on restaurants and eateries, making it perfect for a relaxed meal or exploring diverse flavors. As you stroll through, you can feel a vibrant mix of aromas. Grilled steaks sizzling on the grill, savory ramen broth simmering, and even the occasional cigarette smoke wafting through the air. It's a sensory blend that makes the street feel alive and cozy, as if every corner has its own story to tell. And that was Shibuya in a nutshell. Incredible mix of fast-paced city life and hidden treasures. Whether it's the iconic Scramble Crossing or a quiet drink at Nonbei Yokocho, this place never disappoints. Let me know in the comments which spot you're adding to your bucket list. And don't forget to like, subscribe and stick around for more Tokyo adventures. See you in the next one. Mata ne!